News Aba, oh, news Aba. There is news and there is gist. Hey, today's news is on another level. In fact, this news you need to sit very well. You need to take a seat. In fact, you can even stand. Hey, let's just jump right into this news as it dey hot. Hello gist partners, news Aba, oh, news Aba. There is news and there is gist. Hey, today's news if you know you cannot sit, better stand. If you know you cannot stand, I don't know what to say. Oh, in fact, you can sit, you can stand, you can jump, you can scream, anything you want to do, just do, because this news is very, very hot. This gist is on another level. Anyway, before we jump right into this news, if you know you are not following my other channel, Sandy's Joyful Space, you are missing. You are missing. Just go and check out what is going on there so that you can see with your eyes. You can by yourself testify that something they go on there. I say what? Something they go on there. So please do check it out. Thank you very much. And please do watch this video to the end so that you can get every detail, because trust me, you don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss on any details, so you don't want to miss out. Anyway, let's just jump right into the news as it dey hot. President Akufo-Addo is one of the wisest in the world, a great erudite, says Serbian president. Oh, when I say it like this, it's like I don't even like the flow of it. Let me take it again. President Akufo-Addo is one of the wisest in the world, a great erudite, says Serbian president. Hey, Ghana for where are you, Ajay? 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 Ajay. Hey, do you hear that? Do you hear that? This one is loud. I say what? Loud. Anyway, guys, let's continue. I learned so many things from my friend, the president of Ghana. Today, speaking about world power, we completely share some positions about the necessity of the countries that need to cooperate in the independent sovereign to make their own decisions independently. I fully agree he is one of the wisest men, one of the great erudites one can learn so many things from. These were the words of the President of Serbia, His Excellency Alexander Vučić, on Monday, 11th October 2021, when he held bilateral talks with President Nana Akufo-Addo on the sidelines of the ceremony commemorating the 60th anniversary of the founding of the Non-Aligned Movement. At the press conference, the Serbian leader indicated that Ghana and Serbia have pledged to build closer ties and deepen the ties of friendship and the bonds of cooperation between the two countries, with the two nations resolving to cooperate in the areas of agriculture, defense, artificial intelligence and digitalization, education, and the growth of their respective economies. Touching on the areas of cooperation between the two countries, which include an increase in bilateral trade and the doubling of Serbian scholarship opportunities to Ghanaian students from 16 to 32, President Akufo-Addo stated that we in Ghana know the important strides that you, Serbia, have taken in the world of digitalization, as well as in artificial intelligence, and my understanding is that the majority of the young people who will come from Ghana will be in this area. I think it will be something that will be truly beneficial to our country. The president reinforced the necessity for such closer ties of cooperation between countries belonging to the non-aligned movement, and the urgent need to deepen the bonds between Ghana and Serbia, and indeed for smaller like-minded states. The recent example about the use and deployment of vaccine has shown us an ugly aspect of international cooperation. There are people who hoarded samples and made it impossible for others to be able to have access. I think these are the areas where the cooperation between countries like ours could have a very significant impact on the way in which the world develops, he said. The president continued that there is hopefully a bright future ahead, especially between the two countries that see eye to eye on so many important issues of the international agenda. The most important being the urgent need for all of us to be able to drive our own agenda and not be the subject of anybody's interest or wishes. On Ghana's election onto the Security Council membership, President Akufo-Addo thanked Serbia for the support of Ghana's candidature adding that once there, our contribution will help improve the climate of the world and bring more positive developments on the global agenda. We count very much on Serbia assisting us in the manner in which you have indicated in your remarks, so that we can produce good results from our membership there. He also stressed deep concerns about security in Africa, saying the jihadist insurrection and terrorist activities in West Africa are a matter of great concern to us, and there are areas where we believe we can beneficially cooperate with your country, with other like-minded countries to find solutions. There are matters of very great concern to the stability of our region. On his part, President Vučić said, "I learned so many things from my friend, President of Ghana today, speaking about world power, and I fully agree he is one of the wisest men, one of the great eulogists, and one can learn so many things from, as one of the great successors of the politics of such a great person as Nkrumah was." Ghana for where are you, Ajay? Ghana for where are you, Ajay? Hey, this news is just sweeting me. Anyway, let's just continue. President Alexander Vučić thanked President Akufo-Addo and Ghana for the position taken regarding the territorial integrity of the Republic of Serbia, stressing that such a position is appreciated and respected by the people of Serbia. You know that in politics and international relations, nothing lasts shorter than gratitude, but you will see when it comes to Serbia, we are incomparably more loyal to our friends than any others, and we will be able to return in the same manner of responsibility, he said. The Serbian leader continued, "We offer our construction companies if the people of Ghana are interested, and we are ready to buy tropical fruits and many other products from Ghana if they are interested. Generally speaking, politically wise, not that we have no problems, but we understand each other very, very well. But we must work to talk to each other more often, to see each other more often, and to have more frequent contact, to act together in the international scenes." That's the news of my people. Hey, I hope the news make background. I hope it is loud. I hope it is clear. Oh yeah, hey. In fact, you hear what the president of Serbia said, that President Akufo-Addo is one of the wisest in this world. Like, hey, he gets sense well. And is also a great erudite. In fact, people, when I heard this, I said, wow, you don't mean it. You don't mean it. Are you telling me? Hey. I am excited, though. Very, very excited. That's a wonderful compliment. In fact, the compliment, hey, he did well. And that is very true. President Akufo-Addo is a very wise, smart, in fact, hey, he's a very strategic. I don't even know what to begin to qualify him. People will say, you have come again, you are praising him, you are doing PR for him. Please, yo, I beg you. I know they do politics, yo. And this one too is not from my mouth. It's from the mouth of the president of Serbia. He is saying that President Akufo-Addo is one of the wisest in the world. A great erudite. Hey. So people are watching President Akufo-Addo. So when you are doing things, you think people don't see you. When you open your mouth to talk, you think people don't listen. People are seeing you. People are listening. Just imagine, do you think it was because of just this speech he did that day? I'm not sure. It is because of all the things he has been hearing about President Akufo-Addo combined with the speech President Akufo-Addo gave. That is why he now sat down and said, no, this man, he's not an ordinary man. He's not an ordinary man. Yes, if you are wondering, they are at the 60th anniversary of the founding of the non-aligned movement. We started long ago, like, past leaders started this movement. And one of the leaders were President Kwame Nkrumah. He started this movement with other leaders. So guys, that's the news. So as I heard this, I said, my gist partners have to hear this. This is too hot not to bring for my gist partners. So if you have watched to this point, I say thank you. And if you know you're on this channel, you have not yet subscribed, me pacho. Just hit that subscribe button and hit notification bell. Let it do background. So anytime I post any video like this, any gist like this, any news like this, you'll be the first to know. In fact, you will see with your eyes, you will hear with your ears that news aba. There is news and there is gist. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all and see you all in my next video. Bye.